Hi guys! Welcome back to our...
Welcome back to our channel.
Meron tayong referral for the doctors kasi kailangan nating ipa-check yung kanyang Good morning everyone! Happy Tuesday! Sobrang aga namin guys. Tingnan nyo, kagising lang niya no? Tingnan nyo ang buhok. Muragi. Layog. Gilayog ka na. May lakad kami ng ating baby CELINE. Ayan. Ate Paris will stay here. Stay with Daddy, okay? You be good? You be good? And then we're gonna go for a walk later when we come home. Ayan.
But I want to go to the shop.
You don't have to come. We'll go. You can stay here if you like.
No.
Tulog na tulog kasi kakadede lang niya guys. So we are going to the maternal and child nurse. She's smiling. So they're going to check her again. I think atong ayata to 2-week na 2-week na check-up. No? 2 weeks na muna among baby girl. Because today she is 2 weeks and 3 days. Ayan. Uy, shoot yung big girl ni Mama. Yung big girl ni Mama is Sleeping Beauty. Tingnan nyo, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ate Paris, change yung napi din na. Sure, tulog na tulog, oh. Ayan. Excited na naman si mami nyo guys kasi alam niya naman every time na they check her, I always look forward. Anak na, good big girl nga ni Mama. Kiss na si Mama, be. So, I'm going na, Ate Paris. Come on. Let's just me and baby sing because we're going to the doctors. Come on. Ate. Bigyan mo my kiss. And baby CELINE too.
No, shop. Shop.
We're going now.
No.
Come on now. Oh, give me the hats up, please, be for baby CELINE, be.
Okay.
It's there. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Bigyan mo my kiss. So, see you later, tita, tito. Wait, utot. Did you utot?
No. I did.
Yes, you did. I heard it.
No, it's not me.
Who is it then?
Daddy.
Daddy? Did you utot, Daddy?
I did.
Oh. Alright, now baby, kiss Mama. And you kiss baby CELINE too. We're going.
I did.
Kiss baby CELINE, lagi gentle, ha? There you go. See you later. I love you.
Love you.
We're supposed to be good to Daddy, okay?
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Good morning. Lang buhok ni mami nyo. Mahangin sa labas. Time check tayo. It's now 10:30 ng umaga and kakalabas lang namin from the center. And this one is making noises now. Ayan. Kakalagay ko lang talaga sa kanya, guys. Ayan. I hope she'll relax. So, that was Paris. Until now, guys, tinatawag ko pa rin si CELINE na Paris. That was CELINE's 2-week checkup with the maternal and child nurse. And everything is well. Super happy about it. So, all the numbers are going up. So her height at the moment, she's now 52.5 centimeters, and then yung kanyang yung size ng head niya, last time it was 36 and now it's 36.6. So definitely the brain is growing. The thing is with her weight, guys, so sabi ng nurse sa akin, normally newborns, they gained 150 grams per week, but this one, she gained 345 grams for the last week. And yeah, so sabi ng nurse, there's nothing wrong with it, you're doing a great job, but we will try to actually cut off the feed. So pag umiiyak siya guys, normally kasi, you know, I settle her with milk. So sabi ng nurse na maybe try some settling techniques na hindi milk yung ginagamit. So that's why I said to her na we just started using the pacifier. So hindi milk kasi that's probably the reason why she spits up a lot, kasi she's having a lot of milk. Kaya yun. So from now on, I'll do that. So pag umiiyak siya, hindi na natin siya bibigyan ng milk straight away. So we'll try to settle her and, you know, relax her without giving milk. Kasi, yeah, I think that's a lot. From 150, that's more than double, guys, ng milk. So she's, you know, she's a fatty. And she loves her milk, guys. Like, seriously, she loves it. And obviously, mommy is very, lucky na yung milk supply natin is nandyan. All in all, guys, everything is well, everything is fine, and I'm super happy about that. Although binigyan nilang tayo ng meron tayong referral for the doctors kasi kailangan nating ipa-check yung kanyang hip. So the way they check it, guys, like pag anong tawag dito, when CELINE is on her tummy, chine-check nila yung mga creases dito sa paa, and they make sure na anong tawag dito, na balance sila. And yung creases kasi ni baby CELINE, guys, it's not, hindi sila magkapareho. And with Paris before, ganyan din, guys, but wala naman naging problema si Paris. But again, for peace of mind, we will go to the doctors, we'll get an ultrasound sa kanyang hip, just make sure na yung bone daw dito sa hip is not, anong tawag nila dun, guys, hip dysplasia. Yeah, I think that's the right word. Ilalagay ko na lang sa screen. But yeah, just to make sure na walang problema yung kanyang hip, and that she can, she'll be able to walk properly, and there will be no issues later on. Pero yung ultrasound, hindi naman daw nila i-ultrasound yung baby pag yung baby is only less than 6 weeks. So when baby CELINE is over 6 weeks, then we'll go to the GP and then we'll organize the ultrasound. So that's, not until a month time, kasi 2 weeks pa lang si baby CELINE ngayon. Super happy with the result. Next appointment namin is next Monday ulit, next Tuesday ulit, and that's 8th of September, I think. And now since she's sleeping, I think nagkikitoy-kitoy na siya. Let's go home now kasi tumawag si Daddy Mike. Sabi niya we'll go for a walk to the shops kasi magla-lunch daw kami sa shops. Ayan. Hindi naman siya masyadong maginaw sa labas, guys. Medyo makulimlim lang siya. Medyo mahangin pero hindi siya maginaw. Actually, another exciting thing. So, today is the last day of winter. So, tomorrow is spring na. So, the weather will start getting better. And, it's just a hope that you can see. Yun bang, kahit weather lang yun, it makes you feel good na, it's going to be warmer again. And there will be no more jackets like this. Every time, jacket. So, anyways, let's go now, guys, ha? Kasi baka gigising na tong isa. We'll see you later. Hello.
Hello.
Sweetie.
You got your give mommy a kiss. Love you.
I want to sing the prom.
Yeah, baby CELINE will come with us.
Yeah.
Take the prom out. Yeah, very windy.
Close the finger.
Very windy.
Look at my hand.
Tulog na tulog. Hello, sweetheart. We're going now, sweetheart. Very comfortable na siya. Oh. Kasingin na naman yan. Baby girl.
A few moments later.
Yes, we're now home. Home na kami. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon kasi sobrang mahangin. Hindi niyo ako maririnig. Sa... Ayan. Gigising na ang ating baby girl. Hang on. I'll just quickly show you what we bought from the fruit and vegetable shop. Tingnan niyo. Super excited ako dito kasi may okra. Meron kasi akong ano dyan guys, bagoong ginamos. So, I remember ito talaga yung gusto ko before nung nasa Pilipinas ako. Parang anuhan lang to siya, lapuhan lang ba? And then pare sa ginamos with rice. Very yummy. Ayan, so got that one for $5.99. Got some mushrooms, mga maliliit na mushrooms.
I love mushrooms.
Do you? And then, yung purple na kamote. Got this for $5. Ayan. Doon kami sa fruit and vegetable shop kasi dapat sana sa supermarket. Pero sabi ni Daddy Mike, we'll support the, small business. Kaya yun. Ayan. Meron pa tayong mandarins. $3 for this. And then, meron tayong strawberry. Nagising na. Is she awake na?
No, I can't sleep. He's crying.
Okay. We've got some apples. And then, bumili ako nito guys for lunch. Beef, cheese, and steak na pie. Oh, yes, honey.
Yes, yes. Okay, yes.
It's okay. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's okay, baby Celine.
I'm loving you.
Shush, shush. Thank you, ate. It's okay. Hungry na yan siya kasi it's been, ano na yata, mga just less than 3 hours since the last feed. Oh, thank you, Ate Paris. And yeah, she's rocking her. Rock-a-bye, baby, in the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bell cries, the cradle will fall. Okay, come na, Mama. What's your mama will take you out no longer, princess?
I'm gonna hold you now.
Ate Paris can hold you. Mama, forget not because of this. Thank you. Who's that girl? Who's that beautiful girl? Honey, there. Shush, gutom na. Okay. We'll have a didi now. We'll change it up your face. Okay. Thank you, Ate Paris. Give it to my baby.
Catch.
Boom. Thank you. Change your nappy first, huh? Hello. Hi, everyone. I just had a little bit of tea, and I just burp. Say hi, guys. Welcome back to our...
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our baby Celine. Hi. How are you all doing? I'm fine. I'm doing just fine. With my double chin. Yeah, well done, sweetheart. Ay, Juicy. May dumating na parcel, guys. Show me. Come on. Show me what's inside. I'm so excited. Wow. It's a little one, is it? No. It's a headband. It will fit you. Show me more, B. Wow, so beautiful. Show me more.
Just pink.
You and Celine will share, okay?
I got a very big one.
Oh, so cute. What else?
That's what I'm.
Oh, just beautiful. Tingnan yung pinamili ko, guys. Oh, diba? Super cute.
This is only for baby Celine.
That's right. That's for her. What else? Nag-ho si Paris. Okay.
That's my ones.
Is that yours? Show me, Nak, and tell me what color and everything. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Okay.
It's pink.
It's pink. Okay.
Oh.
Wow.
I got two.
Wow.
I got two. This is for me and this is for me too.
Oh, is that all yours? Okay. Nabili ko yan siya sa Facebook Marketplace.
It's great.
Yeah. Ano lang, guys, $3 each, diba? Super cute. Is there more? No more. No more, it's okay. B, give me one, B. Well, which one shall we put on baby Celine's head? Maybe that one, yep.
Check it out.
Check it out. Daddy Mike is working, guys, on my meeting. Yay! I'll do it. Tingnan guys. Super cute, di ba? Ayan kay baby Celine. The white one. No, it's okay, Anna. Just leave it alone, okay? No, that's fine. It's alright. I think it's heavy, honey.
That I can do because they're strong.
Yeah, Daddy is in the meeting. Daddy will do it later. Close the door, it's very windy. Thank you.
They
Come quick, because it's cold enough. Thank you.
Bye.
Nothing, baby.
deliveries out the
sleeping.
door.
Deliveries out the door. Daddy's in the meeting na. Later. Later.
Not yet.
Ate Paris and Daddy's playing. Have a look. Tingnan natin kung ano yung ginawa ni Daddy May. Nakatapos na niyang magtrabaho.
Okay.
Ito, ayaw magpalagay, oh. Oh. How do you call this game, Daddy?
Surprise cups.
Surprise cups daw.
Close your eyes.
Don't cheat, Paris.
Okay. Open your eyes. Now, you have to choose a cup to eat.
So
Open it.
she'll eat whatever.
Eat
she
your apple.
opens.
Eat your apple.
If you finish this one, you.
Yeah. Then it's my turn. Then it's my turn to choose.
Then which one?
Don't look. Don't look.
You have to eat your apple now.
Eat
No,
your apple first.
no cheating.
You just do.
I will choose one and then you choose one.
Now you're gonna get the chicken.
It's maybe we'll see. Whichever one we get, we have to eat.
Kasi yung laman,
Okay, ready?
guys,
Daddy's turn.
fruit, chicken, o
Yeah.
candy. So yung nakuha niya ay apple.
Come on, the
Daddy, this one.
Yeah.
Chicken! Okay, eat your apple first, and I'll eat my chicken.
Yum. Give me some, Daddy. Yum.
It's delicious.
Delicious. What's left?
Right?
I'm interested to see.
I want to finish this apple while open this candy.
No, it has to be. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Paris, close your eyes. Finish your apple while you play eyes closed.
Ito siya. Ayaw man magpababa.
Have one more big bite of your apple. One more. Yeah, with that now. I'll finish the rest.
Yum! Maganda yung naisip ni Daddy Mike na laro. Para makakain.
Where is it?
You choose one. Hey!
This one.
Wow!
High five. Okay,
Well
take your
done,
candies.
Cyrus. Can you share one to Mommy? Please? B, put in Mama's mouth. I can't pick it up. Thank you. Thank you. What do you say, honey?
Dad, you go get the cup.
Honey, I said thank you.
Thank you.
Now,
What do you
it's
say?
It's
You're
Daddy's-
welcome.
It's Daddy's turn to choose a cup. So you can collect this. Paris, move the cups around. Don't look. Don't look.
God bless you, sweetie.
Move them around.
God bless you.
Mommy, make sure she's not cheating.
Okay.
Make sure she doesn't look what's in the cups.
Don't look na ka.
You
Cover
tell.
your eyes. Which one? Now which one? This one? Okay.
Oh, Daddy got the candies. Okay. Give me my candy. That's your candies.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Choose.
Cheers. Yay! Good job.
Eat the chicken.
No, it's not about you're hungry or what. You had the apple, you had the candy. You should have some chicken.
You have to eat the chicken, Bobby. Otherwise we can't play.
No,
Or else that's it. The game is over.
Just a little bite, and then I'll have and then I'll have some too.
Just a little bit and give it to mommy.
Give half.
Gutom si mama.
Half. Here, eat here, and then give it to mommy.
Eat some more, nak. It's not even half.
This one. Yeah.
Ang bata nga. Kuan, oh. Tamili.
I want it.
All right. Game is over now. Give me that.
Now give some to mommy.
No,
Give that
Give
to
me a
mommy.
chicken.
I want it.
Okay, give that to mommy then.
Ups.
Give that one to mommy then, please.
Alala. Thank you.
You eat.
Siyete na ng gabi, and ang ating ate ay nakatulog dito sa couch. Tapos, habang nagwawalis si mami niyo kasi ang isa nating baby girl doon ay nagpababa. Ayan. So, naglinis-linis ako. Tapos, ayun, nagwawalis ako ng sahig at ito ay umiyak. So, I think ano lang siya ang tawag dito, nanaginip. Ayan, sobrang laki na ng ate Paris natin. Oh? Oh? Hmm? Ayan. So, habang ito ay kinakanlong kong ganyan, namimiss ko na rin, guys. Namimiss ko na rin tong batang ito. Yung ganito ba? Kasi, most of the time, yun na ang ating, ating bulilit doon. Ayan. So, paiyak-iyak din yan siya. Tingnan nyo, oh. She's moving na. Sure, palangga ni mama. And ang ating nalimike, ayan. So, anong oras na nagtatrabaho pa rin. Habang nagtatrabaho siya, guys, nagluluto yan siya ng hapunan. So, pabalik-balik na siya kusina. Tapos dyan, sa trabaho niya. Tapos si mami nyo, ayan, oh, ang aking paspas ay nandyan pa. Hindi ko natapos. Tsaka lang talaga nagagawa yung mga gawaing bahay kapag tulog tong dalawa. O yan siya, o lalo na yan siya kasi hindi, ang hirap ibaba, grabe. Gusto niya, inaano siya palagi ba? Tingnan niyo, oh. Shush. So, ito ngayon, ilalagay ko muna to siya. Ayun, siyang nawang. Ilagay ko muna to para makuha ko yung isa.
A few moments later.
Ayan, nagpalagay siya. I-change natin ang kanyang nappy. Hello, beautiful princess. Hello, beautiful princess. Don't bother me, mommy. I'm gonna cry again. Palangga sa mama. At tinan nyo ang ating Ate Paris ito. Oh, it's black. Nga bes? Ang ating Daddy Mike ay nagluluto ng dinner. Ay, cooking Daddy.
Pasta.
Pasta. Ayan. Ayan ang kanyang sauce. Hindi ko muna siguro bibihisan guys habang hindi pa siya umiiyak kasi relax pa naman siya dyan. Iiyak na naman yan kapag na-move ko. Bago pa naman yan siya nagpupo. Okay lang.